Hello, my name is Bobby Carmona. This is January 31st, 2019, and my week 4 video submission for bacteria identification through functional media. To begin, I have my appropriate PPE, apron, gloves, sterilize the work area. I have the candle, the motility test, a jar tube, my E. coli culture, a jar, as well. I didn't have a paper clip, but I ended up using a bobby pin, which I sterilized through the flame. As you can see here, I'm just repeating it, but I already had done it just through the open flame to sterilize it. Okay, so I'll leave this here. I also will begin by labeling this motility tested jar. So this one, I will be calling this one my E. coli one. I decided to start the video this way only because with the second part after it grows, there wasn't much that I was going to be able to do, so I wanted to be able to show what I was doing to get to that point. So once I labeled it, I already have the light candle. I'm going to remove the lid from this, sterilize the tip. So I'm going to do that carefully. And again, just as some little tidbit that I remember was that these are not very glass-like, so they actually do begin to melt after a certain point. And I also learned not to tilt them so much because you can actually have the liquid come out of the tube. So I think that's good there. We're gonna leave that and see if we put it here just so you can see in the video. Alright, so once that's done, I'm gonna be getting multiple colonies from the culture plate and inputting that into the jar so that way they can start to culture. And I'm going to be doing that for the same one for my S. epidermis tube, and repeating that and then letting them incubate for 48 hours afterwards. I'm actually reading the notes off of the site here, but again, I just wanted to explain what I'm doing here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I have my tube here, or plate rather. I'm gonna just has to be careful not to touch the sides of it, but it was actually pretty hard not to be honest. Okay, and then I'm putting this into alcohol, and I have, I'm going to actually reseal this or close this. I have to reheat that so that way I can close it. Alright, and that goes one. Can't really see a whole lot of it in there right now, but again, once it cultures, I'll be doing I've already taken my before, and I'll be doing the after one to show that. So I'll be doing the same thing with the S. epidermis, so basically the same thing. Thank you very much for watching my video.